Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Grok 4.5 if it's not available in your country. At the time I'm recording this video, Grok 4.5 is only available in certain regions, including the US. If you try to access it from another country, you may see a message saying the model isn't available in your region, or you may simply not see it listed at all. Fortunately, there is a very simple solution. So, how can you access Grok 4.5 from outside the US? Well, the easiest solution is to use a VPN like NordVPN. Simply open the app, select a server in the US, it's connecting, and that's it. You're now connected to the internet through a secure US server. The Grok 4.5 model should then be available. That's all there is to it. If it doesn't work right away, try refreshing a few times, signing out and back into your account, clearing your browser cookies, opening Grok in a private browsing window, or connecting to a different US server in the NordVPN app. So, if you're looking for a simple way to access Grok 4.5 before it's officially available in your country, NordVPN is my top recommendation. If you'd like to try it, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link in the description below. NordVPN costs just a few dollars per month, and considering everything it offers, I think it's well worth it. It's one of the best VPNs available today. Fast, reliable, very easy to use, and available on Windows, macOS, Linux, iPhone, iPad, Android, routers, and many other devices. It has thousands of servers in 129 countries, including multiple locations across the US, making it easy to access region-restricted AI features from almost anywhere in the world. One thing I really like is how reliable it is when switching between different US server locations. If one server doesn't immediately unlock a feature, you can simply connect to another US location in a matter of seconds. It also offers obfuscated servers, which can be useful on networks that restrict VPN traffic, and a dedicated IP option if you prefer using the same IP address every time you connect. And since you're using AI services that often involve personal conversations, prompts, or work-related information, NordVPN also helps protect your privacy with strong encryption, secure VPN protocols, and a strict no-logs policy. Another big advantage is a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If you decide it's not for you, simply contact customer support within 30 days and request a full refund. If NordVPN isn't the right fit for you, ExpressVPN is another excellent choice. ExpressVPN is also fast, secure, and highly reliable, with thousands of servers around the world, including plenty in the US. It also offers a dedicated IP option and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you'd like to try it, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to access Grok 4.5, even if it's not officially available in your country yet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.